India and the US are discussing major defense deals, including that of fighter jets. Analysts point out the difficulties that New Delhi will face in procuring them. Lockheed's F-16 or the improved variant F-21, and Boeing's F-15EX and F-A-18E fighters that are bidding for India's Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft or MMRCA-2. Although India has already bought many American weaponry and defense platforms, but when it comes to US fighter planes, analysts point out the difficulties that India will face in procuring them. Number 1. Political hurdle. First, there will be a political problem for India to opt for Lockheed Martin's F-16 or F-21, which the company is saying to be made especially for India. It will be difficult to ignore adverse public opinion to buy an aircraft that Pakistan uses, even though it is one of the cheapest fighters available in the international market with a proven record of accuracy and efficiency. Changing the name from F-16 to F-21 will not remove the stigma attached to the airplane and the negative images it produces in the minds of the Indian public. One may recall here the Bofors scam, for which there was a heavy political price, notwithstanding the gun's superb quality. Nyombe 2, a costly proposition. Secondly, compared to F-16, going for Boeing's F-15EX will be much more expensive not only to procure but also to fly and maintain. As Indian-American military expert Amit Gupta says, for a cash-strapped India, this financial consideration cannot be overlooked because the French Rafale's reported flight cost is almost half of the F-15EX. Number 3. Too many aircraft types. Thirdly, India is one of those rare countries whose Air Force flies a mix of French, Russian, and British combat aircraft, a situation that already is a logical and maintenance nightmare. If one adds now a modern American fighter, that will further add to the complexity and expense of the maintenance and operations process. Number 4. The nuke factor. Fourthly, and this is most important, fighter jets are the third leg of India's nuclear triad. India's triad is a mix of Agni missiles fired from land, maritime strike capability from the INS Arihant under the sea, and dropping from the air through Sukhoi Su-30 Mki, Mirage 2000s, Rafales, and Jaguars. Given its domestic laws, the US usually does not permit nations to use or buying its sophisticated weapons to use in combat situations. Their use needs Washington's prior clearance. This being the case, will the US allow India to deliver nuclear weapons through its fighters and bombers? In other words, India would have to negotiate with the US on whether it had complete autonomy in using American aircraft or whether they would be limited to non-nuclear missions. If the latter conditionality was imposed, it would compromise India's strategic autonomy, which no government in Delhi will allow, let alone nuclear weapons. The US special permission will also be needed if the American platforms that India will buy or co-produce are to be fitted with like ammunition from other countries such as the Israeli and French missiles. Viewed this, it is difficult for any Indian government to going ahead for American jets. Thank you everyone for watching this video.